For the sport trucks here tonight, the Grasshopper will bring the field down in truck number 88 as we get ready to roll off of turn number 4. Connor Souza, the rookie on the outside. Ed Perry, Mike Duart, row number 2. They wind it up off of 4. Kyle Niederberger lets them loose, and the sport truck main event is underway.
Green flag waves for Lenny Guy and Connor Souza as they battle. Side by side down the backstretch they go. Lenny Guy with a bit of an advantage. He's got Ed Perry looking to the inside, down through 3 and 4. Perry backs off just a little bit. That lets Guy come off the corner. He'll lead lap number 1. But Connor Souza on the outside as we get a caution on the track in turn 3. Down on the inside of the first 4, number 38 of Connor Souza. They're side by side down through turn 3. Rolling through the corner. Guy on the gas out of turn number 4. Green flag in the air. We're underway. 30 laps for the sports trucks.
We'll try this again down into turn number 1. Lenny Guy and Connor Souza lead the charge. Door handle to door handle down into turn number 3. Eddie Perry looking to fill the hole down on the inside. A little bit loose. Down to the inside goes Perry. Guy leads lap number 1.
He leads the lap, but he's got company as Connor Souza to the outside. Ed Perry looks to the inside. A little bit of loose is the 77 of Guy. Ed Perry down to the inside. He's going to take the lead down through 3 and 4. He's going to clear Guy and he'll lead the lap.
Eddie Perry sets the pace down into turn number 1. Connor Souza looking for the second spot as Lenny Guy starts to backslide. Up top, Cooper slides in down low. He's up into 3rd.
Mike Cooper doing a great job here, moving up into that 3rd position on Lenny Guy as Guy starts to backslide on that outside lane. Andrew Kahn looks underneath Guy now for that 4th position. And here comes the 22 of Belcher as well on that bottom lane.
Belcher dives it down underneath the 77 into 3 and 4. Looking for that 5th spot. Edges out ahead of Lenny Guy. Takes that spot away.
But back up front, Ed Perry opening up about a 2 truck length lead over the 38 of Souza. He's got Cooper all over his rear bumpers. They're all running that bottom lane right now, except for Lenny Guy. Stuck on that outside. He's going backwards. Mike Cavallero will pass him and move into 6th place.
Perry opens up a 4 truck length advantage across the stripe. Down into 3 and 4 he goes. A pair of rookies sitting 2nd and 3rd. Connor Souza, Mike Cooper charging down into turns 1 and 2. Belcher on the charge. He is all over Andrew Kahn down the back straightaway.
Mike Belanger now underneath the 77 of Guy. Rick Martin down below Barry Shaw as they battle hard down in the back. They're 3 wide. Barry Shaw gets squeezed, and he's going to lose a good portion of that front fender on that left side. The 85 gets some damage to the truck.
It is hanging down as he tries to continue on his momentum. As Perry with 8 laps in. Look at the battle for 5th now. 5th and 4th. Here goes Belcher down to the inside of Kahn. Cavallero right behind. Takes a look down low as they hit turn number 3.
22 of Chase Belcher side by side with Kahn still as they head down through 3 and 4. Off the corner they come. The yellow flag is out.
Mike Duart goes around down the back straightaway as we are ready to rock and roll. Barry Shaw rolling out of the pit area. Ed Perry, Connor Souza winded up. Souza looking for the jump. Perry battling back down on the inside.
Perry holds that inside lane pretty well here against Souza as they head down the backstretch and into turns 3 and 4. They're side by side. Nose to nose off the corner they come. It's Perry with the edge. He'll lead that lap, but not by much as Souza fights back on the outside.
Down the backstretch they go, wheel to wheel, black flag out. It looked like for the 8 of Campbell. Something hanging off of that machine, I believe. They are stacked up, double wide off of turn number 4. Perry edging out, holding on to the top of the field. He's got Mike Cooper on his tail. They'll roll down the back straightaway. Connor Souza trying to hang on the outside.
Souza on that outside lane as Cooper and now Kahn look to go underneath him for those top 3 positions. Mike Belanger down in that 5th position, battling underneath Chase Belcher as they're side by side down the backstretch.
Mike Belanger is coming up through as the Grasshopper does a little landscaping through turns 1 and 2. He keeps it rolling. Belanger down to the inside as Souza tries to slam the door shut. And while they battle for 4th, here comes Cooper down to the inside, looking for the lead.
Ed Perry able to barely close that door as Cooper thought he had the nose in there, but not enough. Ed Perry comes off the corner down in turn 1 to lead another lap, but Cooper's still all over his rear bumper, and here comes Andrew Kahn. A nice run off turn number 2 down the backstretch, challenging for 2nd.
Get the nose up underneath Cooper, but that's all he could muster that time by. 16 laps remaining, 14 complete. We'll get the cross flags when they come back around. Ed Perry sets the pace a little bit loose through the middle of the corner. Cooper sitting right on his tail down into turn number 3. Andrew Kahn is the third car in that charge off of 4.
Halfway down our Power 5 feature for the sports trucks here as Eddie Perry continues to lead over Cooper. Andrew Kahn in third. Mike Belanger sits in fourth. The battle for fifth. Chase Belcher and Richie Murray as they head down into 3.
Off the corner they come, nose to tail across the stripe. Belanger sits 4. Murray has now moved up into the top 5. Belcher back to 6. Martin 7th. Once again, here comes Cooper down to the inside of Perry. They touch, they beat, they bang off of turn number 4.
Cooper making room in that bottom lane as they head down through the corner once again. Bumping and banging through turn number 1 and 2. Down the backstretch they go. Cooper has the edge into the corner, but Perry fights hard on that outside through 3 and 4.
Cooper, the rookie from Pawtucket, looking to pick up his second career win. Andrew Kahn down to the inside of the 00 as they hit turns 1 and 2. Battle for second. Belanger, Murray round out the top 5.
It's Andrew Kahn down to the bottom now into second. Belanger looks to take third away from Perry, who starts to drift backwards, but that 00 truck, he's got some speed under that hood. He's looking to get back into the fight for the lead.
Cooper loose off the corner, grabs a fistful of steering wheel, but he's got to chase it up the racetrack. Here comes Kahn down to the inside. They drag race off of 4 with 10 to go.
Side by side they come down into 1 and 2. Kahn down to the bottom lane under Cooper. He's going to get a bit of an edge off the corner here with Perry pushing behind him. Now Perry underneath Cooper for that second position down through 3 and 4.
Off the corner they come, and Andrew Kahn out front, looking to win his second career sports truck race. Leads the charge off of turn number 2, opening up some breathing room as Brittany Campbell goes around off of turn number 3. Everybody hard on the binders.
Rolling through 3 and 4. Cooper on the throttle, green flag in the air, 10 to go, and it's Kahn with the edge down into the corner. Cooper fights hard on that bottom.
Cooper's a little bit loose in the corner. Here comes Perry trying to make it 3 wide down the back straightaway. Dives it in hard and deep. Cooper gets split down off of turn number 4, and Perry, just like that, is back up top.
You know Perry had it in him. He was looking for that opportunity, and he found it. He takes the lead now. Down the back stretch they go. The 00 out front down into turns 3 and 4. Right ahead of Mikey Cooper. Andrew Kahn sits in third, but here comes Richie Murray.
Richie Murray sticks his nose underneath the 88 of Kahn, but Andrew's able to shut the door. Belcher now looking back into the top 5. Look at the battle up front. Perry shuts the door hard on the 36, slides up off of 4. They beat and bang off of 4 one more time. Perry shuts the door again.
Perry opens the door by an inch, and Cooper is going to dive in there and try to get it. So Perry closes that door. Down the backstretch they go. Cooper looks for another opportunity. Perry's not going to give it to him as they head down through 3 and 4. They'll cross another lap off the board. 6 to go for the trucks.
2 miles remaining. Perry trying to hang on. He's a little bit loose. So is the 36 of Cooper as Murray works that outside lane. Trouble off at 2. Souza goes around. Does a full 360 as he gets a truck rolling again. And Cooper down to the inside of Perry once again.
Down the bottom of turns 1 and 2, and they're going to call a caution here for Souza as he can't get that 38 going. He got it rolling, but couldn't quite get it back. Comes down to potentially the final restart here with 6 to go. Rolling through 3 and 4. Perry on the gas. What a great jump there by the 00 as he crosses the stripe first. Down in turns 1 and 2, Andrew Kahn will take that second position, and here comes Chase Belcher underneath Cooper on the backstretch.
Cooper trying to squeeze it back down to the inside, but Belcher's got the position there. 5 to go this time across the stripe. Kahn takes a look to the inside of the 00 as they race down into turn number 1 and 2. Martin up inside the top 4. Here comes Belanger down to the inside. Murray backsliding, and he is looking for some room to get up towards the front.
Belanger underneath Cooper for that 5th spot. Cooper got stuck on that outside lane, and he is dropping back as well in that 36. Now the battle for second heating up. Kahn goes around in turn number 2, and a huge pile up on the backstretch.
And Perry's able to hold on with the 2 laps to go signal off of 4. Martin right up on the tail end of the COD heating oil machine. They race down into 1. Barry Short trying to put his machine. Martin down to the inside. Battle for the lead down into 3.
Martin took advantage of Perry getting a little loose off turn number 2. Now Perry looks for that crossover move out of turn number 4. White flag in the air for Rick Martin as he heads down through 1 and 2. Perry sliding through the corner looking to chase down Martin.
Perry throws it in hard, loose off the corner. You can see him seesawing back and forth on the scene. Contact! Belcher goes around. Martin will take down the win. Perry in for second. Barry Shaw third. Richie Murray fourth. Copo will round out.
You were going hard. You were leading laps. You were passing. You were fighting. And that last restart looks like you got loose a little bit in the corner, and Rick just got underneath you.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know. It's not that much fun out here, I tell you. I'm dying, sweating. He's older than I am. He deserves it. Good for him. Congratulations. Murray, another great run. Kid's doing great. Congratulations to him. My brother Billy, Selena, Skylar, Maria, mother, father, Family Auto, Dutch Auto Body. Thank you, everybody. We got to get AC in this truck. I'm too fat for this.
You had a good run. You got stuck on the outside late, drifted back a little bit. That caution came out. You end up with the podium finish. How's that feel for you?
Feels good, backing up a win with the podium. I mean, car was pretty good. It was loose, didn't really have too much bite, but I was able to hang in there and pick up a podium.
So you come home again after that win last week, come home with a podium finish. Anyone you want to thank?
First of all, I got to thank Doug Massey. I forgot him last time, and I probably shouldn't have. I got to thank my crew, Dad, Grandpa, AJ, Crystal, Mom, Meme, Grandma. I thank my sponsors, Chuck and Auto Parts, Hedges Excavating, Helger South Coast Power Equipment, Quick Oil, and Uncle Bonum.
Said a battle would be an understatement. You come home victorious there after that last restart. How was that for you?
Yeah, it was a warm one out there. That's sitting there. That's even worse than racing. You got to thank Ed for driving me clean. I mean, he grew up watching me, so I didn't know what to expect out of him. But good race. It's about time we get back here.
Anyone want to thank for this win tonight?
Yeah, I got to thank my car owner, Rick and Deb Lambert. I mean, without those guys, wouldn't be here. And my dad, of course. Without him, I wouldn't be here. And Lenny Souza, Brad Souza, Tony Souza, all them guys that are helping out. Hey, I'm stuck to the track here. I don't want to sound cocky, but I'm going to get back in the pro stock and do it again.